Alrighty, so the first part of making our fire pit is done. We've got the main hole right here, and then we've got our air trench right here. What that's going to do is let air feed in, and when you have air pumping in through a fire like that, it'll help it just burn a little bit faster. And if it's burning faster, that means we have hotter coals. Okay, now the next step is we're going to take either a big rock or just enough dirt to cover this up. We're going to try and make a little bridge right here, and what that's going to do is make a little barrier so that these two holes are separate. All right, so we've got the fire going. Now what we're going to do is wait a couple hours, keep feeding the fire. Once it develops a good coal bed, then we know we'll be ready to cook our meal. Okay, so now we've got the fire fully going. I've loaded up with a full stack of firewood. We're going to wait for about an hour and a half, and we'll come back to it. Alrighty, so first, to start it off, we're going to be putting in our chili powder. With this, you want to be pretty liberal because this is kind of the base of your seasoning. So, I mean, I can honestly... That should be about good. Next, we want, well, we don't want to put this on yet. Crushed red pepper is more for while it's cooking. Because if you put it on before, it's a little unique. We want a little bit of paprika, onion powder, ground sage, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I think we'll be fine without these for now. Then ground cinnamon. Just a little bit though. Alright. And as far as seasonings, we should be good for now. Of course, like I said, once it starts cooking, we're going to be wanting to add in a little bit more cinnamon maybe, salt, pepper, crushed red pepper especially. I use a lot of this stuff because for me personally, I like very spicy chili. I mean, what's any food without being spicy? Because if you don't like spicy foods, there's something wrong with you. Except for brownies. Next, we're going to add ground beef. And last, I've got some onions right here. So, the next step in ours is we're going to be making our chili seasoning. Me personally, I prefer, of course, chili powder, our basics like sage, because you can't have any meal out here without sage, paprika, onion powder, crushed red pepper, salt and pepper, of course, and then a little special one, ground cinnamon. This always makes it pretty unique. All right.